In this video, I will show you how to update your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app in order to have more features as far as Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app is concerned. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business using 1688, Idlefish, Pinduoduo or Taoba or Alibaba or AliExpress, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let me show you how. Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you now how to update your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Pinduoduo shopping app. After you open up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, for you to download the updates of the app, what you need to do is to simply click on any of the products right here. Let's say, for instance, I click on this particular product right here. Now, when you click on the product link, it's open up like so. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on this icon right here, your chat icon. Click on that, and it's going to open in the chat box right here. So this is a simple trick on how you can update your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping. So next thing you need to do is to simply click on here to send the link. Once you send a link, you are going to see a message like this. So this message here simply means that you need to update the app. What you need to do is to simply click on here. Once you click on it, allow the update to run, and your Pinduoduo app is going to be fully updated. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how to import from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.